Guys, welcome back to the Programming Guide channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to undo force stop on your Android phone. Yes, maybe you mistakenly clicked on force stop on the settings in your app and the app has been having some kind of issues. This guide is for you. So first thing you have to do is open up your phone settings app just like this. Once you get it open, you scroll down and look for apps. So once you find apps right here, click on apps and you're going to scroll down to actually pick on the app you actually clicked on force stop. So let's say, okay, there's not an app. So let's use Instagram for an example. So I'm going to look for Instagram right now. Click on Instagram and you're going to see this force stop app, this force stop icon right here. Click on force stop and you're going to say if your force stop app it may cause you click on OK and you're going to undo it. After you do that, you're going to actually open up the app and go search for Instagram. Once you search for Instagram, you're going to actually open up the app and be sure it's open. And with this, you have undo the force stop app on Android. If you find this guide helpful, give this a thumbs up and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, guys. That's my next video. Bye.